Ended up at Lakewood. One of my favorite food courts. They got Costco right there. All right, super last minute trip. It's only got 30 minutes till the mall closes. Look at this. Look at this. They still got this going on? Holy crap. They have been having a lot of dope Galaxy gear, especially with that 40% off, $80 for these kids ones and adult ones. Got these for 80 as well. Jordan hoodie going for 80. They've had this for a minute. Niners kids shirt. They had some grown-up ones. $30, so that's so much. Even for kid stuff. AD jersey. People saying LeBron's gonna get traded. Is that gonna happen? No, 75. LAFC jerseys going for 80. These are all in the smalls. I really like this jacket. I'm not a Galaxy fan, but I like that quality. Got Rams, Cooper Cup, and Donald jerseys. The Donalds go for 90. This one should be way cheap, but 87. I got these in medium too. AD, more of those, more of these. Lakers jacket right here, poofy jacket, 150, normally 2. Got some of these in medium too. Clemson t-shirt, $15. LeBron, this is a kid's jersey for 80. Checking this bin right here. This is where I got the Pats. Was it the necklace thingy? Yeah, nothing major, just these Trae Young bobbleheads for $5. And then you do get that extra discount on top. Ooh, they got the Lakers thing. How much is this? How much is this auto emblem? It's pretty much just a big sticker that's metal though, which is kind of dope. Put that on. You don't have to put that on your car. You can put that on something else. And you get 40 off, so that's like $3, dude. And they do have a lot of the same stuff in the bigger size. I think I'm gonna move on to the next spot because I'm kind of in a hurry. 71 for PSG right here. Remember, 40 off. Yeah, seeing a lot of the same stuff. We're gonna move on to the next spot. They do have $10 hats. Anything marked 25 and under, $10, not bad. The Sheikh's been hella legit. Latest Jordan release right here. Was this wolf gray? I don't remember the color scheme right here. French blue. Do got family sizing right here. $2.15 for these. Not biggest fan of the 9s though. And of course, the first question I had was, hey, do they still have the 50 or 25% off? Yep. 25% off anything with a blue tag. And if any Jordan retros are on sale. No, there are a lot of the ones and stuff, it looks like. Oh, they got ones, but one highs. They still got the rare. Oh no, the Midnight Navies, it looks like. The Midnight Navies 120. So you can grab these for 25 off. So under $100, but looks like that's it when it comes to Jordan retros. When Jordan retros on sale, because they do got these 5s right here, and then these 4s. I haven't seen these for cheaper. I'm gonna have to grab these, or I'm gonna have to see if they got my size at least. Let's see, size 8 on display. Let me see if they got a 10.5. Workers checking for me. I've been lagging on getting those for a while. Fortunately, people aren't running to them. They're running to get them, fortunately. So they got Cortez's, got some City. She's like, this got Cordera on it. So they are getting those for me. I'm 99% sure they'll get. Am I gonna have a seizure right here? But yeah, they got. I told you they got these on sale even at the retail shops, which is crazy. They got the book 2s right here, $155 for these. Not a fan of these. Not a fan. And I'm not gonna lie, that looks dope in the background on this video right here. I don't think it's dope in person, but in the video, kind of cool. It makes it look like it's trippy. If you're high, then it's really gonna mess you up. Book ones on sale right here. They came out with a bunch of different ones with different materials, stuff pretty interesting. Got the mules, got the rejuvenates, got a ton of them, especially with that 25 off. Been showing you guys plenty of dunks with different materials and stuff. Like, this is interesting. Got some corduroy material. I like this black one right here. Reminds me of like the undefeated 5s right there with all the different materials and stuff like that. And then got these right here. These look like which ones are those? The SB ones, or like the weed one or something. I don't know, but 125. Bomero 5s, 100. And they got some for 85 and 75. Look at the 75. Remember, you do get that 25 off. Big old sign right there. So, dang, cheaper than the outlets for some of these. Like outlet-like prices, especially for a retail shop. It's kind of crazy. Got all kinds of trainers right here. Might be the cheapest we've seen for these right here. Man, that's such a freaking good price. Might be the cheapest we've seen, the diamond turfs, especially at the retail shops. What are these? Crocs? Have I seen these before? $90 for these crazy things right here. Holy crap. Look like a cartoon character with that. Got a Barbie Crocs right here. Oh, they're on sale too. Barbie Crocs on sale. I got this for my niece. $40 right here. I really like this color. I haven't seen this colorway anywhere. I really haven't. And then this one, is it even on sale? Oh, I guess they're doing that just so you can get that 25 off. It's not, that's the retail price. Okay, but at least you get a discount. I'll say the Adidas outlet, even they've been cheap on giving discounts on those. All right, they got a 10, they got a 10 and a half, they got 11. I don't know, the 10 and a half's a little tight, so I'm gonna try the 11s out. I'm throwing this back there for them. Checking out the women's section, 75 for these. Vomero 5s right here. This one got round laces too. This one's interesting. I don't think I've seen this one anywhere, especially with the round laces. Remember, 25 off. All kinds of dunks right here. I don't know if this is the women's or the kids, because I think it's kind of together. This is the grade school. Grade school. Maybe this is the women's. Yeah, this is the women's over here, because they still got these on sale. I wonder if I should grab another one, a fresh one for my kiddo, because he does like these. He does like wearing these. Maybe I should get him another one. I think I got a size 11. I got an 8.5, so size 11. I don't know if I should get him another one. I think I should, so I could have a clean one. Then they do got the Valentine's Day releases. These look freaking dope, dude. These look freaking dope. Kind of like hologramish, but kind of not really. But yeah, 125. These are both women's. They do have a men's version as well. So I did grab a couple of pairs. We'll take a look at them later, because I need to hurry up and check out as many stores I can. What? I guess they're redoing something, remodeling. This had the newer setup. That's kind of weird. Okay. So it had the newer setup and being a little creepy, but yeah, it looks like they're not doing nothing crazy. We lagged and we didn't even have time for dinner today. And I was like, hey, do you want to check out the food court? This is the food court right here. My kid was like, nah, I'm good. We ended up having rallies. He's never had rallies before. He probably would have liked Panda or probably Philly cheesesteaks. I'm trying to get him to try Philly cheesesteaks, man. That fool doesn't like trying new stuff. What the hell's wrong with these kids, man? I think he would have chosen Burger King or Panda Express, which is crazy. Burger King over Philly cheesesteaks, that's crazy. All right, let's check out this Shoe Palace. This one does get quite a lot of stuff, a ton of Kobe's and stuff. These have been available everywhere. The Kobe Air Forces, 120 for these. I like that little Mamba detailing all over the place. 120 for these. I like the original ones that I got. I got the Lakers colorway. Doesn't have all that Mamba stuff on it, but I like the Mamba print all over it, but still like the one that I got. Gonna wear it with my Lakers gear, but Lakers, man, they've been struggling, dude. They spanked someone today, but they do really good against the crappy teams, but they struggle against the top tier teams. Kind of frustrating. We're starting to see these on sale. I'm so curious about the price. 130. 130. Ooh, I'm gonna have to hit up the clearance store. Does that mean the clearance store got them for 130 and another? Do they got another discount on top? 25% off. That would be fire. I would definitely have to buy these. Even at 130, I'm thinking about it. I don't like this color though. I don't like this color, but I like all that cushioning. I'm a sucker for all that cushioning. I don't even know if it's good for you, but I like it. I don't even know if I would use those for running because they are heavy. But the books, these are one of the dopest Halloween releases from this year. Look at this. Dude. This is fire, dude. Fire. I think the outsole is glow in the dark too. $100 for these. These came out at like 140 or something. Pretty dope sales. 120 for the 22 LeBrons right there. 120 for these. And then these, crazy that these are still 125. We've seen these for hella cheap everywhere else. We've seen it for under 100. I think, is it these cheaper here? Yeah, it's 150 over there. So 150, you get an extra 25 off. I think 100 cheaper than that. And then yeah, $80 for these. I think that was the price of the outlets, right? Or was it? Yeah, I think that was the price of the outlets, or was it 70? I don't know. By the outlets, I mean Adidas outlets. Got all the Jordan sale stuff right here. They still got a few Zion 3s, and it's still 140. Price is still 140. Dang, dude. Trunners 115. Zion 4s right here. Did they come out the 5s? I think it's his last shoe, right? But yeah, these are 130. Got 5 minutes left. Music is off. They do got the 8s right there, the Bugs Bunny 8s. Pink 5. They got the taxis. They also got these right here, the 5. And this is size 13. They've had this one for a while. It's probably a return or something. But yeah, I like these. 215. Then of course they got the 4s, and then these 9s that just released today. Cool. Moving over to the grade school section. Look at this. Romero's for $60, $59.98. Got Antas, $75. They had a pop-up store last week. They did send me an invite, but I just didn't have time to go. So my bad, you guys. The Kobe Mambacitas right here. The GGs. Oh, not the Mambacitas. The GGs right here. $80 right here. The Kobe 9 or the Kobe 8. My bad. The Kobe 8 GGs go for $80. Then they got those 80 for those LeBrons right there, go for 80. Pretty decent sale section for the kiddos or the women that can wear grade school stuff. That's pretty dope. And this last one right here, $90 for these. I think I'm gonna head out because they're about to close. But yeah, $90, not bad. All right, it's 4 minutes till all the stores are starting to close. I don't blame them. But yeah, let's take a look at what I grabbed and the price. The price is crazy. All right, let's take a look. Finally grabbed these bad boys right here, the Cortez. We'll look at the price in a minute, but yeah, the Forrest Gump Cortez. I had to go to a size 11. Did you guys have to go to a different size on these? Usually I wear 10.5 on Cortezes, but I was telling the workers I have like ones that are 9.5. I have ones that are size 11. I don't know. Cortez sizing just hella random. Then I did buy another one of these Air Force ones. This is a women's size 11. That's a 9. So I did get a women's size 11. That comes out to size 8.5. I did go down half a size for my kiddo. And he doesn't mind these. He doesn't mind them. He really likes them. The toe box. Look at how wide the toe box is for women's. It is weird. Someone told me that the women's is actually wider than the grade school, which is kind of interesting. She explicitly told me that she only buys a grade school because these are too wide. So I grabbed both of those two. So I paid $49 for the Cortez, and then $60, $60 for the Air Force ones. Obviously there was tax included, but damn, that's hella cheap. Paid $108 before taxes, $108, and both of these retail for close to that, right? Close to that. I think the Air Force one retails for over that one. I think retails for 90, something like that. So what a deal, you guys! What a deal. So I did go to the gym. I went to the gym twice today. I did leg day early in the morning, then in the afternoon/evening, did do, what the hell did we do? Shoulders, and then I actually ran. So I still have my running shoes on. I can't stand these for casual wear because they're dirty as hell. I have some powder blue ones. They look super hella clean, and I like wearing those. But yeah, I'm wearing these today. And yeah, I'm gonna throw these in the car. I'm gonna throw it in the car, and then I'm gonna see what my boy's up to. Right next door, they got one of these still open, so let's go check them out. Men's shoes over here. I just saw someone show a picture to a worker and say, hey, I saw these at another Burlington. Do you have these? I don't think it works that way. We got some empty shelves here though. What the hell? So organized, but do they have any quality? Smaller sizes they got full shelves. Only thing sticking out right here, Green Bay Packers Pegasus. Right here, $60. Some Patrick Ewing's, $27. Now we're checking these empty shelves. Dang it. How did Burlington go from hot to cold so freaking quick? $40 for these size 11 superstars. Even 11, 12, 13s. Like, holy crap. All right, we're moving on to the women's Zero apparel. I think the shelves are more, I guess the shelves are more full. 11s and 12s. Damn, like the malls literally got better deals. I guess they got a better selection too, because Juniper Trails, 50 bucks. That's it for the, well, I was gonna say that's it. Yeah, technically they got these two, but these have been, I was gonna say overpriced. All right, they're marked down to 50. Got some Campus here in the size 9. And of course, plenty of these SL 72s in various sizes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna chill on these for a week at least. Not gonna hit up anymore this week. At least I know that they don't got much. Maybe next week. Came to the mall so my kid could come here. This fool's been addicted to the spot. If you guys haven't been around one, pretty much an arcade, but it's an Asian one. It's like a Japanese one. So they got a million of these claw games apparently. The Asians love these claw games. Hey look. They got like these tiny ones where they're like double decker, which is funny. And they got a ton of DDR and stuff like that. Most of the other ones don't have fighting games. This location has fighting games. The Burbank one ain't got no fighting games, but they got the old school Japanese ones where you sit down, because a lot of them sit while they play the arcade. Then my kiddo, he's addicted to this BS right here. Was addicted. They got those waiting and stuff right here.